We're about to eat all this onion.
Not all of it.
It's all of it.
No. Okay.
Come on, go really fast.
Hang on.
All of it, hurry up.
This is gonna take all of it. This is gonna take forever. I mean, it's gonna be hard.
I mean, go, hurry up. More. Keep on going. No, look how much you got left. Heaps. A little bit more, a little bit more. Don't cry, Shay. A little bit more.
No, it's not that strong to cry, but yuck, I feel sick.
Little bit.
How about you do it, Beth?
I don't like onion. I don't eat onion. I never eat onion.
No, I feel sick. No.
Eat it.
No.
I'm not stopping it till you eat a little bit more. 4 more pieces.
4! Break it down!
That fucking scared me.
Make it 2, alright?
3.
No, 2.
3.
2 or none?
3.
2 or none?
3.
2 or none?
2.
Here's 1.
I said 2 bowls. No, 2 big pieces. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall off this chair again, man. That was scary. Could have broken my head.
Done 2.
Look at that, big fella.
It's not even in there.
I forgot.
I need breath.